Once America built the world. We built the ships, the cars, the machines that powered a century. But somewhere along the line, the hum quieted, the work slowed, and whole towns were left waiting for a train that never came. At Delta Bravo, we believe that train's coming back. And we're laying the tracks.
We all hear the politicians shout, reindustrialize, but they can't will it into existence with just slogans and subsidies. It requires three vital elements working in harmony. Permits that move at the speed of business, wastewater systems that work as growth assets and not obstacles, and industrial operations so sharp they make every dollar and every worker count.
Permitting in the U.S. is broken right now. Nearly 40% of large-scale U.S. manufacturing projects under the IRA and CHIPS and Science Act are stalled. Not for lack of funding, but for lack of permits. Years of delays, lost contracts, lost communities, all thanks to bottlenecks in permitting. Delta Bravo's Permit Pro changes that. It's AI that automates and accelerates permit creation, validation, and acceptance, reducing agency permit creation time by 90%.
Water isn't just a utility, it's a strategic asset necessary for America to rebuild industry, as well as our medical and agricultural supply chains. America's water systems are running out of operators fast, and without them, quality and safety are at risk. We're facing a 70% water system operator shortage in South Carolina and 30% nationally by 2030. Aquaspec is an AI that trains new operators faster, diagnoses issues before they escalate, and optimizes treatment to keep water safe and affordable. A 2025 National Science Foundation Award winner, Aquaspec has shown a 20% reduction in chemical usage, a 25% reduction in waste streams, and is expected to reduce compliance violations by 50% in the small, rural systems that need it most. Aquaspec transforms water and wastewater from constraints into catalysts, so the operator shortage doesn't become a water crisis.
In a time when the U.S. faces a skilled labor shortage and a global race to reindustrialize, Data Mentor delivers operational excellence by turning every role into a higher performing one. Instead of drowning in dashboards or waiting on experts, every employee gets an AI mentor agent fluent in the best practices of their job. The mentor agents contextualize the plant's data, processes, and history, bridging the gap between the way the old generation learned on the floor and the way the new generation expects to learn through technology. These agents don't replace people, they amplify them. Supply chain leaders gain predictability. Finance leaders see energy, chemical use, and waste reduced, and compliance teams get reports generated automatically, aligning the whole enterprise around operational excellence. Delta Bravo is accelerating America's reindustrialization by solving three critical bottlenecks: industrial optimization, water treatment, and the permitting process. Our products remove friction from America's industrial engine, helping teams predict, prepare, and perform with unmatched precision and speed.
Well, when permits move, water flows, and operations excel, the plant isn't the only thing that comes back to life. Schools fill, suppliers thrive, the town grows roots again. Alone, each moves the needle, but together they actually rebuild how America builds.